Hello everyone and welcome back to Shantani's Diary. Hope you all are doing good. I have just landed at Bagdogra airport and the airport is very small and it has only 4 gates. Our car was waiting for us at the parking lot and we quickly loaded our luggages into the car and we are now on our way to Gangtok. It's around 2:30 p.m. now and we should reach Gangtok by 6:30 or 7. It usually takes 4.5 to 5 hours to reach Gangtok from Bagdogra, and it depends if you are taking a break for tea or lunch, then it will take some more time. So sit back and relax for the next 5 hours while I take you to Gangtok and enjoy the scenic beauty around. The landscape around is changing drastically. We were driving through thick forest and plantation a few hours ago and now we are heading towards the mountainous roads. We were caught in a little traffic near Sevok Bridge, but now the roads are very smooth and very good. So today by the time we'll reach Gangtok it will be evening, so today we plan to take rest, just have dinner and go to bed. Tomorrow it's either Changu Lake, Baba Mandir and Nathula Pass or the local sightseeing. I'm saying or because it depends on the permits that we get. Now we are getting a news that Changu Lake, Baba Mandir and Nathula is closed till today and nobody got permit for all these 3 till today because of heavy snowfall. We really want to get a lot of snow and see a frozen Changu Lake and also get the permit. The best we can do is just pray that snow is there, the Changu Lake is frozen and yet it is good enough to get a permit. We are now at Teesta Bazaar and we'll break here for some time for some snacks and coffee and I'll show you around where we are stopping. This place is called Lama Ding and it has a very beautiful Teesta View restaurant. Since we already had our lunch at the Kolkata Airport Lounge, so now we are just going to have some steaming hot coffee and some paneer pakora to complement the coffee. Okay, so this is the Lama Dim restaurant. It's near Teesta Bazaar and it's a very small cozy kind of a place, and it's not just for snacks that you can stop here. If you are planning to have your lunch or a full meal here, that option is also available. You can choose to have fried rice, noodles, chicken or some snacks and coffee like we had. And also there are toilets, not the cleanest one that you have seen as a public toilet, but fair enough to just use it. The coffee and the pakora really refreshed us and helped us fight the mountain sickness that we have. And also if you are having mountain sickness, please carry Coca 30, it's really helpful. Coca 30 is a homeopathy medicine, so you don't have to use some allopathy tablet for mountain sickness. Along with Coca 30, I am keeping some cloves in my mouth while I am traveling, so it's helping me in motion sickness. We are now climbing uphill and it's slightly drizzling. We are a little worried by seeing the rain, but our driver says it's fine and it won't hamper our plans for the next 2 days at Gangtok. As we are climbing up, the temperature is also slightly reducing. Along with the temperature, as you climb up the mountain, the prices of the food also climb up. So when we stopped at Lama Ding, the coffee was rupees 30 per cup and the paneer pakora was 120 rupees per plate. We also saw many people were camping near Teesta Bazaar at the bank of river Teesta and it looked really adventurous. This time we had different plans, but next time I might try to stay in a camp at the bank of river Teesta. It's getting dark now and we have just crossed the Rongpo checkpost. And now officially we have entered Sikkim. It's going to take us some couple of hours from here, and if we stop for another cup of coffee, then maybe 15 minutes more. Once I reach Gangtok, I'll give you a complete tour of our hotel. So we have booked Mount Himalayan Hotel, which is at Tadong at MP Golai. That place is around 5 kilometers from MG Marg. So once I reach there, I'll be able to give you some more details of the place and how is it around the hotel. Okay, so we have almost reached Gangtok and it's pitch black now and it's raining heavily. We can only see lights at the nearby hills and it's pitch black. Our driver as well as our Google map is saying that we'll be reaching our hotel in another 15-20 minutes. It's quite cold here, so when we left Kolkata it was around 35 degrees and now in Gangtok it's around 11 or 12 degrees. So the sudden change of temperature, it's making it colder. Okay, so after a long drive of 5 hours, we have finally reached our hotel. Our hotel is called Mount Himalayan Hotel and it's part of the Mount group of hotels. I'm very tired to give you a room tour today, but this is the view that welcomed us when we reached the hotel. I'm really excited to see the early morning view of the valley below and also the hills across. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Shantani's Diary. In my next video, I'll give you a complete room tour, hotel tour and also a mini review of Mount Himalayan hotels and how our stay was. Stay tuned to Shantani's Diary for more exciting videos coming up very soon. And until we meet again, do take care and bye-bye.